So we're at the Nurburgring for the weekend and we've got our Milltek exhaust installed on our FL5 Civic. So we thought we'd pop by the test centre and give the car a good check over. So we've already been out for a lap with Misha. We've had the tyres scrubbed in, the brakes are well and truly bedded in now as well. But we're going to go inside the workshop here, give the car a quick oil change, full check over the suspension, make sure we're all good because we're back out on track tomorrow. Been allowed into the workshop, we've got the car on the ramp and we're going to give it a good check over, but whilst doing so I've also brought some oil with us. There's some Miller's 540 HKS oil filter, so we're going to give it a quick oil change before we get back out. Quick oil change complete, so we get the car back up on the lift and we'll check over the rest of the exhaust, suspension, brakes, check we're all good for track. So we're all done here at Milltek, and I'd like to say thank you to the guys here for hosting us. Managed to get a quick oil change done, check the car over, and it's been a pretty successful morning. We'll get the car out of the workshop and get on our way over to the Nurburgring. So whilst we were down seeing Milltek today, we also popped by Ohlins Europe to see what's going on in their distribution centre. Let's have a quick look around. So there's some service bays next door where Magnus is assembling some TCR dampers. Let's go and have a look. Thank you to Magnus and Christian for showing us around the amazing facilities here at Ohlins, and I hope you're enjoying the content that's coming from us at the Nurburgring. If you haven't already, hit the like, share and subscribe, and you'll see you in the next video.